place floor panel on a flat and level surface. Place front wall on ground in front of and flush to floor panel. Lift side wall panel into place, ensuring connection of the clip system. Tops of walls should be flush. Install rear bench riser with heating panel. Install side bench risers following the guide bars. Place front bench risers flush to side risers and fasten with black screws. Make connections for under bench lighting and slide bench top into place. Lift and place other sidewall panel, locking in the clip system and ensuring bench risers land within guide bars. Make electrical connections for under bench lighting and slide bench top into place. Place back wall on ground, flush to floor panel and secure with bolts. Ensure rear bench riser heating panel gets plugged into back wall. Install door handle with wooden portion on the interior of the room. Make lighting connections for the rear bench and slide into place. Drop ceiling panel into room. Ensure all cabling is pulled out of walls and away from ceiling. Make cable connections on the roof by matching the numbered tags on the cables. Your FINSAUNA Radia 400U is now complete. Activation. Press and hold the screen in the bottom right quadrant for around 5 seconds until the screen lights up. You'll be presented with the main menu of options. Temperature/timer. This screen allows you to activate the panels in the sauna. If the start-stop button is red, it is not active. If it is green, the room is heating. You can use the slider or the plus/minus buttons to adjust the temperature and the length of heating time. Lighting. The lighting screen allows you to change the color and function of the lights. Music. The Music tab allows you to pair a Bluetooth device with the speakers in the sauna. It also features skip/return buttons as well as a volume slider. Power. The power button takes you to the Confirm Shutdown screen where you confirm or cancel shutdown. That completes your overview of the FinMark V2 controller.